Ultimately, AI search is transforming how clients find legal representation. Obviously, a lot of the good cases that you get are probably right now through referrals or through people that already know your brand. And so, again, what I want to reinforce is really have that kind of as your end goal of what I'm doing. If you're looking to just do something quickly to get up there, those results they'll probably only be around for a short time. So we're talking about everything today that's long term and sustainable. But right now, even though it's not that panic moment, you still have that first mover advantage. Because I think from what I can see, and all I do is look at law firm marketing all day long, and I've done that, and I build tools, and I've done it for many years now, almost 2 decades. But most law firms have not adapted like their digital footprints kind of at all for this. And so I think by implementing AI ready strategies now, you can really establish market leadership before competition intensifies. And it's funny because it's all cyclical. Like if you've been in internet marketing for a long time, you may have realized that back in the day, it reminds me of Google used to have authorship, where in Google search you would have a picture show up of the attorney or whoever you wanted of who wrote that article, and it took up a lot more search space. And so what did we do? We went out there and optimized our clients for it. And for a period of time there, cleaned up essentially. We got a lot more cases and more leads than others because we were first movers. And it took people a while to adapt. Then everybody did it, and then they removed it. Same thing happened with AI, or sorry, not AI, with review snippets. It's just cyclical, is all I'm saying. So also, I think your digital visibility could be at slight risk if you do nothing, at least. I think when potential clients ask AI assistants like ChatGPT, what's the best family lawyer nearby? And only a couple of the firms show up in that curated responses. If your practice isn't among them, then you're effectively invisible. And the other reality is too is, as younger people grow up and, they need your services, there you have to meet those modern client expectations. And that's a different kind of thing that I always preach about. It's just like run a good business, right? Like do good things, run a great business, and you're going to build a reputation. You're going to build a firm that doesn't need as much marketing because what you're doing and the goodwill that you're giving back to the community and promoting is actually also going to create that flywheel effect. So I think today's clients expect immediate and authoritative answers. We're already seeing that because, again, if you're involved in online marketing in any capacity, you may know, or maybe you don't realize, that if you don't respond to those internet leads in seconds, they could be lost and they could be lost forever. So I always say under 2 minutes, but really time is shorter than that even if you can. So it's important, and same with phone call. And they're increasingly unlikely to scroll through all of this information or search pages on websites. People are impatient now. We want the answer, and we kind of just want it now. All of this kind of combined brings us into that strategic window. Overall, there's going to be some fast movers, there always are. But in most markets, a lot of people are not going to be forward thinking, and they're not going to do anything to basically position their brand ahead of and get ahead of this.